In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a clickable image in your Gmail email. This is perfect for adding a logo, a banner, or a photo that takes your reader straight to a website, a form, or a product page, all without cluttering your message with long URLs. Start by opening Gmail on your computer and clicking Compose to create a new email. Fill in the usual details, who you're sending it to, the subject line, and any text you want in the body. It helps to type a sentence or two first, so you can see how your image will sit alongside your content and keep the layout clean. Now insert the image you want to use. Click the Insert Photo icon in the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. You can upload a file from your computer, pick one from Google Drive, or paste the web address of an image. Drag and drop works too, if that's easier. Once the image appears in your email, click it to choose a size like small, best fit, or original, and adjust placement so it looks balanced. Aim for a clear, high-quality image that isn't overly large, so your email loads quickly and remains easy to read. To make the image clickable, click once on the image to highlight it. Then click the Insert Link button, the little chain link icon, in the toolbar below. If you don't see the toolbar, click the Formatting Options button to reveal it. A small box will appear. Paste or type the full website address you want people to visit, starting with tia, so Gmail recognizes it properly. Click Apply and you're done. The image is now hyperlinked. To confirm it worked, hover your mouse over the image and you should see the destination link appear. If you need to change it, select the image again, click the link icon, and update the URL, or choose Remove to clear it. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Use a trustworthy link that clearly matches the purpose of your image, so recipients know what to expect. Keep image file sizes modest for faster loading, especially on mobile. If your image has text, ensure it's large enough to be readable on smaller screens. And remember, the link remains clickable even if you resize or reposition the image later. Once everything looks good, finish your message and send it as you normally would. Your recipients can now click the image and go straight to the page you've chosen. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, professional emails with clickable images.